Bollywood actor Riya Chakravarti has initially denied all allegations of procuring curated marijuana, but she has reportedly confessed to having occasionally smoked a joint at parties later. While India's drug use policy prohibits smoking marijuana for recreational purposes, it is common knowledge that weed is rampantly smoked as a recreational drug across India. Cannabis has always been consumed in India for spiritual, medicinal and recreational purposes for centuries. Let's have a look at the drug laws that regulate substance abuse in the country. The Narcotics, Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act of 1985 and the Prevention of Illicit Trafficking in Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act of 1988 are the main laws governing substance abuse in India. The NDPS Act prohibits the cultivation, production, possession, sale, purchase, trade, import, exports, use and consumption of narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances except for medical and scientific purposes in accordance with the law. Narcotic drugs include the cannabis, using its plant, resin or charas and its concentrated variant hashish or the dried flowering or fruiting tops called ganja or any mixture of ganja or charas is prohibited in India. The NDPS Act bans the use of charas, which is the separated resin obtained from the cannabis plant or hemp, in any form, whether crude or purified. This also includes concentrated preparations and the resin oil known as the hashish oil or liquid hashed. Consumption of ganja, the flowering of the fruiting tops of the cannabis plant, is illegal in India. Though the NDPS prohibits the productions and sale of cannabis resin and flowers, the use of the cannabis leaves and seeds is allowed in some states. Cannabis cultivation for industrial purposes, including productions of hemp or for the horticultural use, is legal. Cannabis is also recognized as a source of biomass, fiber and high-value oil. The consumption of the cannabis in the form of the bhang is legal in most Indian states and is often as an integral part of the cultural and religious celebrations, especially during the festival of Holi. In 2008, it was ruled that the punishment under the NDPS Act would depend on the quantity of the drug seized by the police. However, the Supreme Court reversed the judgment earlier in 2020. As per the Supreme Court, traces of an offending drug is sufficient to declare the entire quantity. The punishment is rigorous imprisonment for not less than 10 years, while it can be extended to 20 years. The offender is also liable to fine of no less than rupees 1 lakh. This may be extended to rupees 2 lakh. Bureau Report.